Seeds or seedless in monkey puzzle tree produced a beautiful ornamental plant. The tree is sometimes grow in the container as a house plant. Monkey puzzle tree grow very slowly. The seeds generally germinate in 1 or 2 months. It may take as long as 30 to 40 years before new seeds are produced. So we must have the patience to listen this one also, and the tree is having very patient, more patience. These seeds or seedling of monkey puzzle tree are produced beautiful ornament plants. It can be grown in a container as a house plant, but it grows very slowly because it takes 1 to 2 months to at least start the thing. It may take as long as 30 to 40 years before a new seeds are produced. So if this tree wants to give us seeds, it takes more than 30 to 40 years. Seeds or seedlings of the monkey puzzle tree produce a beautiful ornamental plant. The tree is sometimes grown in the container as a house plant. Monkey puzzle tree grow very slowly. The seeds generally germinates in 1 or 2 months. It may take as long as 30 to 40 years before a new seeds are produced. The IUCI International Union for Conservation of Nature has classified the wild monkey puzzle tree population as endangered. This is a very worried information. It would be very sad to lose this unique tree from our planet. The, the International Union for Conservation Nature, the research team has said that this monkey puzzle tree is in endangered, means this tree is not going to see in the future. This is very worrying information that this, and it would be very sad that this unique plant is soon we are going to lose from the earth. As in this case, several other forms of vegetation, the monkey puzzle tree are also facing the challenge of, okay, deforestation. This happens primarily due to logging and burning. Though these trees are able to withstand fires that occurs on the account of natural causes, they are not hardly enough to save themselves from the man-made fires. So this is a part of sad things that so many monkey puzzle trees are destroying by the human nature in the way of cutting the trees or man-made fire. A number of factories are responsible for deforestation. People cut down trees to clear land for the growing crops or for the creating grazing area for cattle. The tree is also very much sought after for its high quality wood. Laws are in place making this activity illegal, but unfortunately, these are often broken by the local population. So now these trees are wasting, these trees are brokening, the trees are getting cutted for the human being, for growing of crop, for growing of cattle, and also for the illegal activities. So these trees are being broken by the local population. It is well established now that not only a monkey puzzle tree endangered, but the population has definitely gone down. As more as trees are being destroyed, these presence is also becoming a scattered and sparse. Unlike some facts growing specific, these trees grow very slowly and do not reproduce for long years. This further adds to gravity of the situation. If this unique wonder of the nature is not protected sufficient, of a future generation may never get to see the monkey puzzle tree. So due to these things, means that this monkey puzzle tree takes lot of time to grow and lot of time to reproduce for seeds and all. And so the author is saying very painfully that for the next generation, so this monkey puzzle tree will be in a poster, means we may not see, the next generation may never get to see the things. So my dear students, it's very beautiful lesson, and it is painful that nowadays we are cutting the trees for construction of house, for construction of field, and for so many other purposes. So like that, here author is saying, due to this one, so we may lose our nature gift of this tree, monkey tree, and in our future generation may not see this monkey puzzle tree. So this is the lesson, my dear students. So with these things, I would like to conclude the things. So soon I am going to send notes for this lesson. Thank you so much. Be home. Okay, so take care. See you soon.